What's up, guys? Today you join us as me and my buddy from Operation Overdrive tried to desperately hold down a bunker from enemy forces. Our objective is to hold this bunker for as long as we can to enable our team to complete other objectives. This is a key position in this battle. At the end, it becomes just the two of us facing 10 to 20 oncoming enemies as close as the bunker right next to us. Hope you enjoy. Were there people back there?
Yeah. We got by a tree.
Can you cover for me so I can at least get to B?
I can try, yeah.
Let me know how it looks.
Now?
Alright, suppress. Alright, man, I'm in the B company bunker here. No, not yet. If you can make your way over to the B bunker to snipe some kids back here, it'd be great. Hey dude, they got so many angles, bro. There's one, hey Connor, there's one in like a little bit of a brush pile, like at this angle from me.
Right, you think I can push in with you?
No, I'm about to push out actually.
Just watch out for your left here. I saw him pushing up this way.
That way? Alright, I'm coming around to the back there. Here, watch out, watch out.
I can't believe they can reach all the way.
I know. It's all you, it's all you. You're hitting the net. You need to go higher. Got one.
Going down.
Now guys, I know I have a scope cam on my gun, but unfortunately this one has some software problems, so I wasn't able to use it. But for future videos, hopefully I will have one.
I think I'll die if I try and get over to those, that thing over there.
I think so. Here, you peek his head,
I don't have an angle on him.
If you come over to me, you can. Just shift over a little bit. Nice. See his head?
Yeah, Some got pushed back right.
Yep, I saw that. Here, just make sure that guy stays down. Hey guys, I see. Got him. No, I need to hold here. I'm out. Hey, you could cross, you could cross. Hey, watch out, there's one pushing close side to your right. At the like tri-bunker.
Hey, Matt, come here.
Yeah.
That peek in this tree right in front of me. You could probably get him here.
Where?
How far?
See the second, like the two big trees?
Yeah.
And how you can see that log right in between them? The left one. Like, see the big berm right there?
Yeah.
He's gonna peek every now and then. You can see his orange tip.
Oh, I see that. I see that. Here, move.
Yeah, that's all you.
Move in. Did you get that guy that was peeking his head up and down?
No, he pushed back.
Okay.
He was just crawling back and I saw him jump over the berm.
Okay.
So we're good right now, except for this guy.
Okay, here, can you just keep watching this? Because I've been killing kids at the tank left and right. Hey Connor, you might want to snipe this kid.
Yeah, I got you. We're at.
Tank. Left side tank. Connor, one just flanks back over here. I need to reload. Connor, one flanks back here. Maybe this guy's peeking his arm out. He's pushing, they're pushing, Connor. Yeah, see him? Behind this tree.
Yeah, they're pushing. Pushing left side.
Okay.
They're pushing up.
Can you watch this kid close to my left here?
Yeah. Where's he at?
He's like, you can see him through this hole here.
Oh yeah, I see him pushing up.
No, there's one closer. Watch out, he's spraying.
Why do I gotta be so short? I gotta set my... Yeah, they're going... Wait, isn't that the boundary line? This is the boundary line.
Yeah.
They're past it.
No. Alright, so there's one close, like back behind here.
Okay. I could try and push back a little bit to this cover, then get behind that tree. Because it's pretty
That's probably not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Here, watch this for a quick second. I'm gonna check it out over here. What's happening? Oh, they like all died.
Yeah.
Got one.
Now at this point, it's literally just us three versus who knows how many over in that bunker.
Dude, they're at the other bunker here. I can't. Hey, can you just keep watching this?
Yeah, I got guy left.
Okay.
Just watch out, they're spraying over here.
Okay.
Now it's just us two holding down this objective.
Yo, we're on your team, bro.
I guess teammate got a little bit confused and he started shooting at us, but it's alright.
No, hey, Red's in that bunker.
Watch out, they're spraying right.
This bunker next to us.
Are they in there?
Yeah. I killed two that were in there, but... Dude, how are we looking over there?
Not bad, there's a couple guys. This guy's... Yo, I'm sorry for shooting.
Can you watch that side?
Yeah, just keep... Keep watching this side.
No, 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 Connor, let him watch our back. Let him watch our back. Watch this side, okay? Don't let them come up. They're shooting from down in there. Woo, that was close.
Push that, push that, push that. Keep.
Where?
On the other side.
Other side?
So unfortunately, after a long, hard fight, I die, Connor dies right after, and we ended up losing this position, which is really unfortunate, but we did hold it for a long time.